Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the GD2705 Mini Video Recorder. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay. Here's the manual. So let's take a look at the manual. And here's the recorder. Now to charge the camera, you plug it into the computer, so that's how to charge it. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to install a micro SD card. The micro SD card slot is right here. Just push it down, and when it clicks in, it's properly installed. And there you go, that's how to install the micro SD card. Okay, so I'm going to turn the recorder on. Okay, so I just turned the camera on, and as you just saw, the light flashed several times and is now steady. Now to start recording video, press the record button. Now as you can see, there is a steady blue light and a flashing green light, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the button again. Now as you just saw, the light stopped flashing green and is now a steady blue light. The file is saved and the recorder is back in video standby mode. Now right here is the lens, so you have to point it this way when you film. Okay, so I'm going to return the recorder off. Here is a clip that you can attach like a pen. Here's the mic. Okay, so we're taking some video footage now to hear how the audio turns out, and to see how the video turns out, so here we go. On a cloudy day. Okay, sun is coming out right now. So there you go. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the GD2705 Mini Video Recorder. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.